In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Behance URL quickly and easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign in to your Behance account. If you're already familiar with this process, just head over to the Behance website and log in using your credentials. This will usually involve entering your registered email and password. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll see your avatar in the top right corner of the screen. This is where you can access your account settings and make any necessary changes. Click on your avatar and a drop-down menu should appear. This menu is essentially a hub for all your account-related options, providing quick access to different areas of your profile. From this menu, you're going to select Settings. This option is crucial because it opens up the section of your account where you can make various customization changes, including editing your Behance URL. Once you're in the Settings section, your next step is to navigate over to the Account Information tab. This tab contains all of your personal account details like your email and account status. To modify the URL associated with your Behance profile, find the line that says Behance URL. This section reflects your current URL, giving you a direct opportunity to update it. By clicking Edit next to the Behance URL line, you'll be taken to a field where you can enter your desired new URL. Now, think creatively and choose a URL that best represents your brand or personal style. Remember to check that the new URL is not only memorable but also available. If someone else is already using it, you'll need to come up with an alternative. Once you've entered your preferred URL, double-check for any typos or errors. It's important to ensure everything looks just the way you want it, as this will be part of your public profile. After confirming that your new URL is correct, find the Apply button. Clicking this will save the changes you've made, officially updating your profile URL. And there you have it. You've just successfully changed your Behance URL, making sure it's up to date with your professional branding or personal preferences. This straightforward process doesn't take much time, but can have a significant impact on how others find and interact with your work online. Remember, a thoughtful URL can make a lasting impression, so take the opportunity to make yours count. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your online creative presence.